Secret. I had to keep one for a long, long time. My family were all Boxton Town fans, but I supported a different team, Boxton Rovers. It was very hard to be different. I had to be very good at pretending when the teams played against each other. I couldn't cheer when my team scored. I had to go to the bathroom and celebrate there. Yes, yes, yes.
Yes! Yes!
Yes, come on. I couldn't be sad when the other team scored. No, no, no!
No!
I could only have my team's posters in my bedroom wall if I was alone. If someone came into my room, I had to be quick and change how it looked. I had to have a secret wardrobe too. I hid my favorite team's clothes behind the other team's clothes in my wardrobe. Birthdays were terrible too. I always got football gifts for the wrong team. But then my life changed. A billionaire bought both clubs in my town and made one new big team, Boxton United. Now I can relax and enjoy all the matches with my family. I go to the bathroom a lot less now too.